Welcome! Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to delete your note on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've ever left a note and then changed your mind, or just want to clear it out, this quick tutorial will help you do it in no time. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main menu. Here, you'll see several options, but the one you need to click on is Messenger. This is where all your direct messages and notes live, so it's the perfect place to manage your notes. After clicking Messenger, you'll see your conversations and, right at the top, your current note if you have one posted. Find your note and click on it. This will open up the note options. You're looking for the option to delete your note, so go ahead and click on Delete Note. Once you've clicked Delete, don't forget the final step. Click Share. This might seem a bit unusual, but sharing here confirms the deletion and updates your note status across your account. After you hit Share, your note will be removed and your followers will no longer see it. And that's it! Deleting your Instagram note on the PC app is straightforward once you know where to look. Just open Instagram, go to Messenger, select your note, delete it, and then share to confirm. This new update has made managing your notes easier and more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and now you can keep your Instagram notes fresh and up to date whenever you want. Don't forget to check out other tips and tricks to make the most out of your Instagram experience. Have a great day!